see, there's a lot of things that you don't know, and we don't know, actually. A lot of things that we don't know. But we believe in it. You believe in that because you think that they are your father and mother because they raised you. Same thing like us. We learn based on the history of our Lord Buddha. He gave up his throne and then go find the path to purify, to become enlightenment. And that's what we've been told and learned. There's a lot of things that we don't know, but we just have to believe, because what he taught us, don't believe in it yet. Don't believe in what he said, but don't throw it away. Okay, you just have to bring it in, practice it diligently. After you practice it, you see the result. After you see the result, you decide to believe or not.